With regard to carburetor ice, float-type carburetor systems in comparison to fuel injection systems are generally considered to be
excellent. More susceptible to icing is a brilliant choice.
An aviation stress engineer specializes in assessments of airplanes, using stress to test its dash.
You chose structural integrity, and it is correct. This safety feature prevents an electrical emergency by interrupting flow from the bus. Clear logic. Your choice circuit breaker is sound and 100% true. The center of gravity of an aircraft is the point over which the aircraft will. Great thinking. A balance is the right choice. One purpose of the dual ignition system on an aircraft engine is to provide for
Smart move. Improved engine performance is an accurate answer.
Which of the following is not part of the aircraft electrical system?
Exactly. Vertical speed indicator makes sense, and it is right choice.
a mechanic can earn an A&P certificate. What does A&P stand for?
Bravo! Airframe and power plant is the answer.
This component allows ram air to provide airspeed indications.
Solid response. Pitot tube is a valid choice.
Which of the following is not a system found in an aircraft? Good thinking. Teleportation system is the right answer. What aircraft system uses fluid to create power?
Right again. Hydraulic is a valid answer.
Which system provides aircraft thrust?
Strong choice. Power plant is the right answer. What color is Avgas 100 il? Nice work. You chose light blue, and it is correct.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Nicely done. Contact Narayan Chandra is a solid answer.